Retirement is a time to enjoy the fruits of your labor. You've worked hard and deserve to relax, but first you need to make sure your money will last. Jane Bryant Quinn's book can help. This book is a roadmap to a secure retirement. Retirement planning can be overwhelming. There are so many things to consider. But this book breaks it down into manageable steps. It offers practical advice that is easy to understand. This book is for everyone, no matter where you are in life. Whether you are just starting out or nearing retirement, this book has something for you. It's never too early to start planning for your future. The main message of the book is clear. You need to make your money last throughout your retirement. This is not just about having enough to get by, but ensuring you can live comfortably and enjoy your golden years without financial stress. This means having a detailed and well-thought-out plan for your finances. It's about understanding your current financial situation and projecting your future needs. You need to know how much money you have, including all your assets and savings. This involves taking a close look at your bank accounts, investments, and any other sources of income. You also need to determine how much you will need to cover your living expenses, healthcare costs, and any other potential expenditures. This requires careful budgeting and planning, and most importantly, you need to figure out how you will make your money last. This could involve adjusting your spending habits, finding new income streams, or making smart investment choices. The book provides a comprehensive guide to retirement planning, offering practical advice and strategies to help you navigate this important phase of life. It covers everything from saving and investing to understanding Social Security benefits and managing healthcare costs. Each chapter is designed to give you the knowledge and tools you need to make informed decisions. You'll learn about different retirement income streams, such as pensions, annuities, and part-time work. Understanding these options can help you create a diversified and reliable income plan. You'll discover strategies for managing your expenses, including tips on how to reduce costs and make your money go further. This can help you maintain your lifestyle without overspending. Stick around if you're keen to learn the correct strategies on ensuring a stress-free retirement. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content on personal finance. Social Security is a crucial part of retirement income for many Americans. But navigating the complexities of Social Security can be daunting. Quinn simplifies this complex topic in her book. The book provides clear and concise explanations of how Social Security works. You'll learn about different claiming strategies. You'll discover how to maximize your benefits. Many people claim Social Security benefits too early. This can significantly reduce their lifetime income. Quinn emphasizes the importance of delaying benefits. By delaying benefits, you can receive a larger monthly payment. This can make a big difference in your retirement income. The book provides valuable tips for maximizing your Social Security benefits. Once you retire, you'll need to start withdrawing money from your savings. This is a crucial step in ensuring that you can maintain your lifestyle and cover your expenses without the regular income from a job. But how much can you safely withdraw without outliving your money? This is a question that many retirees face, and it can be a source of significant stress and uncertainty. Quinn addresses this common concern in her comprehensive guide on retirement planning. The book explains the concept of a safe withdrawal rate in detail, providing clear and actionable advice. This is the percentage of your savings you can withdraw each year without depleting your funds too quickly. It ensures your money will last throughout your retirement, giving you the confidence to enjoy your golden years. Quinn provides different withdrawal strategies based on your risk tolerance, helping you to tailor your plan to your personal financial situation. She also discusses the importance of adjusting withdrawals based on market conditions, ensuring that your plan remains sustainable even in volatile times. By following Quinn's advice, you can create a sustainable withdrawal plan that adapts to changing circumstances. This will give you peace of mind knowing your money will last, allowing you to focus on enjoying your retirement. You can enjoy your retirement without worrying about outliving your savings, spending your time on the things that truly matter to you. Section 5. Balancing investments for long-term growth. Investing is essential for growing your retirement savings, but choosing the right investments can be overwhelming. Quinn simplifies investment strategies for retirees. The book provides a clear and concise overview of different asset classes. You'll learn about stocks, bonds, and cash. You'll discover how to create a diversified portfolio that aligns with your risk tolerance. Quinn emphasizes the importance of balancing risk and return. She explains how to adjust your portfolio as you get closer to retirement. Don't let investment jargon scare you. Quinn's explanations are easy to understand. you'll gain the confidence to make informed investment decisions. Section 6. Cutting expenses and saving more. Retirement often means living on a fixed income. That's why it's crucial to manage your expenses wisely. Quinn provides practical tips for cutting costs without sacrificing your lifestyle. The book encourages readers to track their spending. This helps identify areas where you can cut back. You'll be surprised how small changes can make a big difference. Quinn also discusses strategies for reducing housing costs, transportation expenses, and healthcare costs. She provides valuable resources for finding discounts and saving money. By implementing these tips, you can free up more money for your retirement savings. Every dollar you save is a dollar that can grow over time. Section 7. Downsizing for financial freedom. Downsizing your home in retirement can provide numerous financial benefits. Quinn explores the pros and cons of downsizing. Selling a larger home can free up equity that you can use for retirement expenses. It can also reduce your monthly housing costs, including mortgage payments, property taxes, and utilities. Quinn discusses different downsizing options, such as moving to a smaller home, renting an apartment, or relocating to a more affordable area. She provides practical advice for navigating the downsizing process. Downsizing is a personal decision. It's not right for everyone, but it's worth considering if you're looking for ways to improve your financial situation in retirement. Section 8. Exploring side hustles for extra income. Retirement doesn't have to mean the end of earning income. In fact, it can be the beginning of a new and exciting chapter in your life. Many retirees enjoy pursuing side hustles for extra cash and personal fulfillment. These activities not only provide financial benefits but also offer a sense of purpose and accomplishment. Quinn explores different side hustle options for retirees, such as consulting, freelancing, teaching, and more. These opportunities can be tailored to fit your unique skills and experiences, or starting a small business. Whether it's a passion project or a way to share your expertise, the possibilities are endless. She provides tips for finding opportunities that align with your skills and interests. It's important to choose something that you enjoy and that keeps you motivated. Having a side hustle can provide numerous benefits. It can help you stay connected with others and build new relationships. It can supplement your retirement income, giving you more financial freedom and security. Keep you mentally and socially engaged, which is crucial for overall well-being and happiness, and allow you to pursue your passions. Whether it's art, music, or any other hobby, a side hustle can turn your interest into income. Don't underestimate the earning potential and personal satisfaction that a side hustle can bring. It can be incredibly rewarding to see your efforts pay off. It's a great way to stay active and financially secure in retirement. Embrace the opportunities and make the most of this exciting time in your life. Section 9. Practical advice for every stage of retirement planning. Whether you are just starting your career or nearing retirement, this book has something for you. It provides practical advice tailored to different life stages. For younger readers, the book emphasizes the importance of starting early with saving and investing. It explains the power of compound interest and encourages readers to take advantage of tax-advantaged retirement accounts. For those closer to retirement, the book focuses on strategies for maximizing Social Security benefits, managing withdrawals from retirement accounts, and creating a sustainable retirement income plan. No matter where you are on your retirement journey, this book provides the guidance you need to make informed decisions. Section 10. Take control of your financial future. Retirement planning is not something to be feared or postponed. It's an opportunity to take control of your financial future and ensure a comfortable and enjoyable retirement. Jane Bryant Quinn empowers readers with the knowledge and tools they need to plan for a secure retirement. Her book provides a roadmap to financial freedom and peace of mind. Don't let retirement planning overwhelm you. Take it one step at a time. Start by educating yourself and seeking professional advice when needed. Remember, it's your future. Take control and make it bright. Section 11. Start planning your retirement today. Don't wait to plan for your retirement. The sooner you start, the better prepared you'll be. Start by assessing your current financial situation. Determine how much money you'll need in retirement. Explore different retirement savings options. Consider your Social Security benefits and potential sources of retirement income. If you're feeling overwhelmed, don't hesitate to seek professional guidance from a financial advisor. They can help you create a personalized retirement plan. Thank you for watching. We hope you found these tips helpful in planning your retirement. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. Remember, your journey to a secure and fulfilling retirement starts with the steps you take today. Stay tuned for more valuable advice and resources to help you navigate your financial future with confidence. Until next time, take care and keep planning.